Hey friends, if you wish to generate a Wi-Fi history or WLAN report in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So there's a command for it which is netsh space WLAN space show space WLAN report. Okay, copy it, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator and paste it here. Hit enter. Now wait for a while till it starts generating the report, and it will need a while. Now it will give you a path. All you need to do is copy this path, press the Windows key and the R key together, paste this path here and hit enter. Okay, it will open the report in the browser or any other HTML reader on your system. And in my case, there were no Wi-Fi events in the last 48 hours, like starting a connection, disconnecting from a network error or something. But if you had, it will show it here. It will show it in a graphical format. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.